Is this Dram customer service?
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to learn the Flam Tap Ghost
Well,
Diddle.
yeah, we can do that.
I heard it's really cool.
Yeah, whatever. But it's going to cost you $200.
$200? I just learned it on the Jaystiqs channel.
Okay, cool. Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to learn the Flam Tap, Ghost Note, Diddle, Pattern. I know, it's a lot of words, but it's actually a really cool thing to learn. By the way, it's entirely possible that it is called some other name. I'm just calling it the Flam Tap Ghost Note Diddle Pattern. Before we go on, if you're new here, join the Player Nation, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell to get a notification every single time we post one of these cool tutorial videos. And while you're in the area, hit the like button. Smash it, it looks a little lonely. Okay, so let's break this down into its basic building blocks. We have a flam, the tap, then some other things. So the flam is basically two notes that are so close to each other that when you play it, it gives it some kind of sliding sound. And we covered that in the previous lesson, which if you haven't watched,
come on, son.
So you should totally go watch that lesson. It's here. Then we add the tap. Now we have a flam tap. Progress. Now we add the ghost note diddles, which is just 2 hits on the snare drum, always on the snare. Well, I know what you're thinking, right? I figured out this whole ghost note flam thingy he's talking about, so I don't need to watch the rest of the video. Well, you can do that, but then you wouldn't know how to put it into your groove, make it sound tasty, make it sound delicious, make it sound stupendous and inviting. So, okay, with this implementation, now we have 4 choices. You can play it on the snare, you can play it on the first tom, the second tom, or the floor tom. Progress. But for what we are doing, let's play it on the 3 toms, which is the first tom, the second tom, and the floor tom. And here's another way to practice it also. So now let's play it with a simple groove. And I know that is probably going to be boring, but if you can play it slow, you can play it fast. So let's see how it is when it's played really slow. Then when we speed it up, you can get to understand the mathematical equation of the formulation of the distribution of the time across the equator towards Manchester United. Did you see that? There is a metronome right where you can see it whilst we are playing the groove. Ha! We don't need to do any editing things all in the screen and stuff. Just for that, you need to hit the like button. Just for that. So a trick to build up how fast you can play this pattern would be to play it along with the metronome. And you would play it on each quarter note of the metronome. And if this is too fast, You can slow it down when you're practicing, and you can keep on increasing the speed to a point where you're comfortable. Then, you can use the fast version to play along with the groove. The Drum Chops Builder app is an application that will mess you up in a good way. Because when you have all these wonderful, fantastic ideas and you are not near a set of drums to play and practice them, like the pattern we just broke down, you can just go into your phone and place it in the Drum Chops Builder app and save it for later when you have the chance to go practice. It's amazing. Check it out. Link is in the description down below. Go download it. It's really cool. So here are some ways to fit the pattern in a worship groove. And here's a basic implementation of how you would play this with praises. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time there's a new video. By doing that, you're joining the Player Nation, and the Player Nation is a great place to be. It's a wonderful, stupendous, amazing place to be. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.